Hi, my name is Jody Anderson, and I am excited to be in this class. Last semester, I was able to complete 100 primary care hours and about 150 of my nurse practitioner hours with a nurse midwife, which I really enjoyed. Learned a lot from that. This semester, I'm hoping that I will get to do more procedures, more hands-on stuff. I'm looking forward to learning a lot more, and I really hope that it goes well. I'm going to be switching preceptors, so a little nervous about that, but hopefully that will go well and we'll get along and I'll learn a lot of things. It's going to be in a women's health center, so that will be good. I just really want to get my skills down. I guess that's my biggest goal for the semester, is really learn all the skills I can, really get good at the skills, because I don't have a lot of experience doing the pap smears and things like that. If I had a dream job, I'm not quite sure what that would be. I've always wanted to do women's health, so that's kind of my dream. After I graduate, I really want to just get a job where I get a lot of experience and continue to learn until I feel really confident in what I'm doing. So I'm excited about this class, and that's all about me. Thanks.